Hello and good day. Last episode we were here and now we are going to check the structure side of it. Lot of moss here, lot of decayed bricks. How did they get that decayed? I don't know. Maybe decades of vandalism. Those are those flowers again, which I don't know what they are. Are these some kind of color here? Ew, cold water is dripping on me. Are these some rails? But why? Seems to have a lot of modern day junk. So someone made something, perhaps for a fire, but then backed out. I don't know. Oh, that side is collapsed. I show you soon. Funny way collapsed in. Stuff here, some some girls. Laundry girls. Lot of them. So that's what surprises me, that they are not nude. Oh, nice pathway constructed here for me. Here again we don't seems to have a floor. It seems to be going downhill more and more. First we had mild negation. Now other one we have trashes and little holes and then nude pictures, and now we are missing the whole floor. And for firewood, I don't know. So this is kind of cool way gun. That's a movie title for you, Cool Way Gun. Slippery bridges. Moss which is slippery. Oh, this wall is Swinging wall. Oh, dangerous toxin. That's not helpful. Hope not anymore. Nice birch woods behind. A lot of sawdust. What about now? Some ruins there. Is there a way up? I didn't see any. Perhaps there used to be stairs there up. I would say 50 years old case. What are you and what are you doing here? What are those ruins? Used to be. I don't have a much intelligent commentary about these places. Perhaps I should do some backup research. Flowers that only grow on that ruins. Cool. Another abandoned industrial area with a nice place to keep your boats in. See, this asphalt is all overgrown. I expected these parts that people walk. There's something in there too, but no more. We kind of a sinking. Look at it. Yeah. I hate quicksand. Still check out there. Just in case to cover the whole area. Almost tripped. A nice peaceful place. I don't think I need this face mask anymore. More pigeons. Little ruins here and there. But nothing left. But the shape of this place is quite cool. Was I already there? Let's check that out. Just to make sure. I'm filming this with my big camera. Yeah, right. Nope. Nada. I'm sure I could get up, but I just don't want to risk it. And it's not that high even. To have a nice view. That? Don't know. That whole would have been fun to see this place intact. Yeah, check these already. I think I didn't. this was the, yeah. Just showing this to you guys that you can compare the video quality, which is better. If this is good or as good or better, this thing lags is that I cannot do anything about the movements like this. But other hand, it mic fit this perfectly. Okay, let's. I think we got all around this place, so please do thumb up and subscribe, and we will see you in next episode, wherever it might be. Okay, bye bye.